Dear students, today we will discuss some trigonometric identities. So before we discuss what is a trigonometric identity, ତୁମେ ମାନେ ପ୍ରିଭିୟସ୍ କ୍ଲାସ୍ରେ ପଢ଼ିଥିବ କିଛି ଆଇଡେଣ୍ଟିଟି ବାବଦରେ ତୁମର କିଛି ସମ୍ୟକ ଧାରଣା ଥିବ ଏଲଜେବ୍ରାରେ ଗୋଟେ ଆଇଡେଣ୍ଟିଟି କହିଲି a plus b ର ହୋଲ୍ ସ୍କୋୟାର ଇକ୍ୱାଲ୍ସ ଟୁ a ସ୍କୋୟାର ପ୍ଲସ୍ 2ab ପ୍ଲସ୍ b ସ୍କୋୟାର. So this is an identity because this is always true for the values of a and b. Identity means the equation which is true for all the values of the variable involved in the equation. Manakara gote this is not called x minus 3 is equal to 5. So this is not an identity, this is simply an equation because this is true for only 8. But equation becomes an identity when it is true for all the values of the variable. For an example, x plus x is equal to 2x. This is always true for the values of x. So like this algebraical identity, we have certain trigonometric identity. What is that identity? Then you go for one right angle triangle. For any right angle triangle, suppose this angle you take a theta, this give you a b c. Suppose you go for this is, you know that this is 3, this is 4, this is 5, you know that. You find it sin theta. For this acute angle, find sin theta. Formula, what is the formula? Opposite by opposite p by h, opposite by hypotenuse. What is the opposite here? For this angle, what is the opposite? 3. What is the hypotenuse? This is 5. Then you go for that cos theta, that will be adjacent by hypotenuse. What is the adjacent? That is 4. That is a hypotenuse means 5. So now you go for the sin square theta. Sin square theta means sin theta the whole square. That means 3 by 5 whole square. That will be 9 by 25. Then you go for the cos square theta, that will be 4 by 5 whole square, that will be 16 by 25. Now you add these two, sin square theta plus cos square theta, that will be 9 by 25 plus 16 by 25. So now 25, that will be 9 plus 16, that will be 25 by 25, that is 1. So sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1 for any angle theta. So this is called an identity. Okay. So the first identity is sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1. And that identity will help you. If cos theta is known, then you can obtain sin theta. That is also another method to obtain this. Do you understand? जदि आम cos theta, मन suppose जनकर if cos theta equals to 7 by 25, find sin theta. You can use this identity, you can obtain. Apply this identity, sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1. So sin square theta plus cos square theta means 7 by 25 whole square equals to 1. So sin square theta plus 49 by 625 equals to 1. Sin square theta equals to 1 minus 49 by 625. So sin square theta equals to LCM 625. This is 625 minus 49. That will be 576 by 625. Then sin theta equals to, this is square, then this side go square root of 576 by 625. What is the square root of 576? That will be 24. What is the square root of 625? That will be 25. So this is the value of sin theta. Clear? So that will help you. If a sin theta is known, then cos theta can be obtained. If a cos theta is known, then sin theta can be obtained. So from this you can also derive that you can suppose your identity is sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1. This is one identity. From you can write sin square theta equals to what? Tell me. 1 minus cos square theta. Sin theta, how can you write? square root of 1 minus cos square theta. Similarly, like that cos square theta, how can you write? Now 1 minus sin square theta. Cos theta, how can you write? Square root of 1 minus sin square theta. So that is for 1. Clear? The second identity is sec square theta minus tan square theta equals to 1. This is also another identity. Second identity, this is the first identity. This is for this you can derive sec square theta. How to derive sec square? Now this minus tan square theta will be transposed. That will be 1 plus tan square theta. Next sec theta, how can you write? Square root of 1 plus tan square theta. Next tan square theta, how to write? Now sec square theta minus 1. Then how to write tan theta? Square root of sec square theta minus 1. So this is also one more identity. Number 3. Next is third identity, cosec square theta minus cot square theta equals to 1. From this you can derive cosec square theta equals to 1 plus cot square theta. Cosec theta equals to square root of 1 plus cot square theta. Next, cot square theta, how can you write? Now cosec square theta minus 1. Next cot theta equals to square root of cosec square theta. See, this is cosec. Cot theta equals to square root of cosec square theta minus 1. So this is also one more identity. So there are 3 identity. One identity you see here, sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1. Then sin square theta, then you can go like this. Just I tell you here, if sin theta equals to 3 by 5, find 3 cos theta minus 2 tan theta. That is, you are going to calculate 3 cos theta minus 2 tan theta. Answer. So you can go for here you have 2 methods. You can go right angle triangle method to obtain from sin theta you can obtain cos theta tan theta. But this value is not known in the table. Table रे value नहीं. So theta टा आमे जानी पारिबा नहीं, तो ये मेथड आमे जाई पारिबा नहीं. मात्र 2टा मेथड आमे गोटे राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल करिकी sin theta 3/5 नहीं कि 2टा साइड को k रे लेखिकी ताको थर्ड साइड कैलकुलेट करी सेटू cos theta tan theta एमिति भी करि हबो. नहले तुमे आइडेंटिटी यूज करिकी करि पारिबो. केमिति करिवो ना लेखो गिवन दैट कोन देछि ना sin theta देछि केते ना 3/5. सेही थ्रू आमे कोन पाई जिबा ना cos theta टा पाई जिबा. cos theta रो सूत्र कोन देखो तुम एठू पाइचो cos theta हाउ related to sin theta. ताले cos theta equals to square root of 1 minus sin square theta. That formula you have to remember. So that is equal to square root of 1 minus sin square theta means sin theta 3/5. So what you write here? 3/5 whole square. So square root of 1 minus 9/25. What is the LCM? 25. 25 1 is 25 minus 9. So that will be 16/25. That will be 4/5. So cos theta is 4/5. So what is tan theta? Means sin theta by cos theta. What is sin theta? Not 3/5. So divide, what is the 4/5? So that fraction will be reciprocal 3/5 into 5/4. So 5 cancel. That will be 3/4. So tan theta. So cos theta is found. Tan theta. So now you go for the 3 cos theta minus 2 tan theta. So in this expression 3 into what is the cos theta? Cos theta you got 4/5. Right here 4/5 minus 2 into what is the, that will be 3/4. So 4 12 ये तक 5 minus 2 3 6 ये तक 4. So what is the LCM? 520. 20 5 4 5 48. 20 4 हेले 5 6 5 30. ताले 18/20 दुई काटिले 9 10 मीन्स 9/10 दैट इक्वल टू 0.9 clear. So this is one माने identity method you can find it, and here you go for two more new formula. tan theta equals to sin theta को जदि आमे cos theta रे हरिबा ताल tan theta मिलिबो. Similarly cot theta तार reciprocal आर reciprocal कोन हे जिवो तार just reverse cos theta by sin theta. These two formula you just remember. Clear now? So there are so many things are there. Suppose you are given here, if tan theta equals to 1, find 3 cos theta plus 2 sin theta divided by 2 cos theta minus 3 sin theta. Calculate it. You can calculate. Here tan theta 1 देछि, that means ये value टा हमको known अछि, तो हमें काहे कि बेकार अजथा आइडेंटिटी रे जिबा हमको कष्ट हबो, तो हमें एंगल बाहर करी कर दबा सुविधा हो. जदि ये भैल्यूटा टेबल भितर न था ताले हमें लेख गिवन दैट tan theta equals to 1, so theta equals to how much 45 degree, because tan 45 degree ता केते हो 1. ताले हमें एंगल टा कैलकुलेट कर देले, हमें आ आइडेंटिटी रे गले नाही. ताले बे हमें cos theta कैलकुलेट करबा. cos theta माने cos 45 डिग्री हे गला, ता माने 1/√2 हे गला. sin theta से मध्य हे गला sin theta जगह रे लिखि देले 45, दैट विल बी 1/√2. देखिलो ताले एबे हम से एल्जेब्रिकल एक्सप्रेशन लिखिबा 3 cos theta plus 2 sin theta divided by 2 cos theta minus 3 sin theta. So that the answer is 3 into 1/√2 plus 2 into 1/√2 divided by 2 into 1/√2 minus 3 into 1/√2. So what is the answer? That will be 3/√2 plus 2/√2. That is 2/√2 minus 3/√2. So what is the answer? 3 2 5 5/√2 division 2 3 minus 1/√2. So 5/√2 ये डिवीजन टा कौन है इंटू है गला, ये उल्टी गला √2 means minus √2 by 1 or √2 cancel. The answer is -5. So here one जो वैल्यू टा हमको देइछि सेटा हम जणा बोली हम थीटा टा कैलकुलेट करले, किंतु इठी जो वैल्यू टा देइछि इटा हम थीटा टा कैलकुलेट करि पारने, तो सेमित हम करि पारु ना हो. जणे मन कर कहला if sec a equals to suppose you go for that 13/12, find sin a. आमर तो sec a तो sin a सहित रिलेट नहीं. आम ये देख आम कौन करवा ना यहाँ 13 तो 12 देख आगे आम a रो वैल्यू कैलकुलेट करबे ना, आर वैल्यू आम टेबल भितर जना नहीं. तेणु तुम्हें ट्रायंगल मेथड जाइपार नहले आइडेंटिटी मेथड जाइपार. जेहेतु आज आमर कौन पढ़ाऊँ आइडेंटिटी, तेणु आइडेंटिटी मेथड तुमको कहूँ जे ये सेक ए देछि, सेक ए सहित साइन ए रो रिलेशन नहीं. सेक ए सहित कहार रिलेशन अच्छी तुम्हें देख देख सेक आउ टैन रो रिलेशन अच्छी. तेणु आम सेक रु कौन पाइबा, सेक रु तुम्हें गोटे काम कर आर रेसिप्रोकाल पाई जाओ. आमर साइन एटा क्या सहित रिलेट अच्छी देखो ना, साइन एटा फॉर्मूला साइन ए एटा फॉर्मूला स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 1 माइनस cos स्क्वायर थीटा. तब हमको cos दरकार, साइन ऑब्टेन हवा को हेले हमको cos दरकार, किंतु हमर cos नाही सेक अछि. तेणु आम सेक रु cos पाइबा कहीं ना सेक रो रेसिप्रोकाल किए ना cos. एटी लेख गिवन दैट सेक ए इटी थीटा देन ए दे एंगल एटा जहाँ नहीं दे पारे 13 तो 12. सो cos ए एथर में सीधा कौन ना आर कौन नबा रेसिप्रोकाल 12/13 नबा, ताले cos ए पाइगल. जेतले cos ए पाइगल ताले एबे कौन पाइजो sin ए पाइजो. ताले sin ए इक्वल्स टू फॉर्मूला स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 1 माइनस cos स्क्वायर ए. सो स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 1 माइनस 12/13 रो होल स्क्वायर. So square root of 1 minus 144/169. So that equal to square root of LCM 169. So 169 minus 144. square root of 25 by 169. So that will be 5 by 13. Clear now? So these things you today you practice. So then after that you have to prove. Proof very important. Prove the identity. गोटे आइडेंटिटी देइथिबो ताको हम प्रूव करिबा. सेति पय हेले तुम एगोडा सबू ये फॉर्मूला सब मन रखिबो. रेसिप्रोकल फॉर्मूला भी मन रख जे sin थीटा होची 1 by cosec थीटा तार रेसिप्रोकल, cosec थीटा हबो 1 by sin थीटा तार रेसिप्रोकल. सेंति cos थीटा केमते लिखिबा ना 1 by sec थीटा लिखि दबा. sec थीटा को केमते लिखिबा 1 by cos थीटा. तापरे tan थीटा को केमते लिखिबा ना 1 by cot थीटा. और cot थीटा को केमते लिखिबा 1 by tan थीटा. ये सबू जाक फॉर्मूला, ये फॉर्मूला आउ ये जो दुईटा फॉर्मूला आउ ये आइडेंटिटी सब. थैंक यू.